The creamiest part of your morning is now officially plant-based. Purely oat. Purely perfect.
Welcome, guys. Another day, another demo. What did we see just now? Let's unpack it. So, what you saw today is a feature that is going live or is already live because I'm showing you in GabrielOperator.com. Whatever I'm showing you is in GabrielOperator.com. I just created a feature called Canvas, which allows you to deterministically create agents or tasks for the agents that can have human approval. But not just that, it can have modifications from human approval. And I just showed you 3 different artifacts that were created from the human approval stage. We created a creative brief, storyboard images, and then the final video that generated this thing. So let's unpack this in today's video and see how easy it is to create an ad. But not just that, how easy it is to create something completely different if it wasn't an ad. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. I'm just going to delete this. So then we start fresh. And I'm going to show you how I did it, right? So I'll just clear this as well. So it's a lot easier. And I'll go and select the / command. So this is where I have implemented this, and I'll show in detail as well how I implemented this. But let's just try to do something, right? Like I don't know if you have a product in mind that we will promote today for free. Let's give Twix, right? Let's try Twix. I don't know if you've tried this chocolate. But let's see. So you can see instantly as soon as I have tried to run this command, within seconds or milliseconds, I had the first task complete, and I have a nice creative brief that is created. It's detailed enough. It has a voiceover script, has messaging, has visuals, and I think it looks good. It has got it right. It's a caramel bar, so it got it right. And I'm going to say, yeah, looks good. So I'm going to say continue. And now what we see is it's going to go and generate an image from that script. And it's going to create a storyboard image. And if I don't like something about that image, I can always change that. So you can see it generated this image, which shows you in different aspects how I would like to do this. I can add more things, like I can say, hey, can you use a character or something, right? Like I want you to improvise this. Please use a character to promote the product. Yeah, probably made a mistake there, but let's just see if AI is smart enough to make that change. So what I just did is I allowed to change what was not right, and now you can see it came up with a completely new image, and this time it's showing a character, and it's also showing how it's going to promote it. So there it is. Let's see now from here what happens when I say looks good. So I'm going to say continue. Now it's going to go and generate a video from this image. So just let's try to unpack while it's doing that. We saw a script, a detailed script on how the image needs to be created or how even the video needs to be created. It came up with a storyboard image on how the storyboard of that video needs to look like, and now it has given that image as an input and the initial creative brief that we had to generate a video that will promote this Twix. And you'll be surprised the quality of the video, because it's insanely good. Another thing what you'll realize is that everything that we did, just have the video ready now. Let's have a look how it is. when we actually play it.
Pause the chaos. Crunchy cookie, smooth caramel, rich chocolate. Twix, grab your moment.
So you can see it just created a video, and if I say this looks good, I can obviously improvise this, but as you see that it takes some time, so I don't want to waste time here. But if you did not like this video and you wanted to change something, then you can do that. Now what you see, this is the holy grail. This is actually now preserving whatever we did as a playbook, and this playbook now is available for us in two places. The first place is we have everything that we created inside of our artifacts, but the second thing is we have it as an API that we can use. So you can see over here, I can now use it as an API by just changing some configuration. For example, I can change from Twix to some other brand, other chocolate brand that I wanted to promote, and I can also mention what the category is, and it will completely create a new video with a new concept, with the new storyboard, exactly the way how we did with Twix. And if you wanted the whole with including the script, then you can also do that with the full playbook. And if you're not technical enough, you don't like the APIs and you just want the agent to do everything, just copy the playbook as a skill and let Claude Code or Codex or even OpenClaw do this for you. So that is it, guys. That is today's video, and as I said, this is all configurable. So what I just showed you right now is all available in the configuration. But also remember, all of these I didn't go in this place and I wrote all this stuff. I just went in my favorite tool, in my favorite coding agent. I just went in Codex and I told Codex to go and change all of that thing. And these are the steps that you can do. Just clone this, or not even clone this, you just copy this command and let it do its thing, and from there it will update every single thing that you want to do. And all you do is then come here, press the page, and instantly what you'll see is a / command waiting for you to create your favorite ad, or it could be anything else. It could be your favorite new playbook, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit longer than what I usually do. I'm going to go a lot deeper into all the different aspects of what you just saw with configuration, how you can create an agent from scratch, which we call the AI persona, how you can talk to it. There is a complete brand new feature with Translate, which I'm dying to show you. So I'll wait for now and I'll show you that in the next video. So until then, thank you very much for watching, and keep watching because there's more to come.